In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Cookiebot to your website. And trust me, it won't take more than 5 minutes to get this all set up. Cookiebot is an essential tool for managing cookies and ensuring compliance with data protection laws, making it a must-have for many website owners. Whether you're new to web management or just looking to streamline your privacy policy, this guide is perfect for you. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Once you've got that running, you'll want to navigate to the search engine and type in Cookiebot. It should be one of the top results. Click on it to open the Cookiebot homepage. If you're not already familiar, Cookiebot provides the means to manage cookies on your website, which can be crucial for maintaining privacy standards and complying with regulations like GDPR. Once you're on the Cookiebot website, you'll need to log into your account. If you're new to Cookiebot, you might need to sign up first. The login is straightforward with your usual credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Cookiebot dashboard. This is where we'll be doing most of the setting up. On the dashboard, locate the section labeled Implementation. This is where the magic happens. Click on it and you'll be presented with an option to copy the auto-blocking code. This code is key to enabling Cookiebot on your website, as it helps automatically manage cookies according to your chosen preferences. With the auto-blocking code copied, it's time to head over to your website. For this demonstration, we'll be using Lead Pages, a popular website building platform. Go ahead and log into your Lead Pages account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the landing page editor where you can make changes to your site. This might be located in the Management tab or under a section labeled Pages. Within your landing page editor, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar, which will offer options like Design, Section, and Widgets. Click on the Widgets tab. From there, search for an option that says HTML. The HTML widget is what allows you to integrate custom code into your web pages. Once you've found the HTML widget, select it and a box will pop up where you can paste the code you copied earlier from Cookiebot. Carefully paste the auto-blocking code into this box. This step is crucial as it enables the Cookiebot functionalities on your site. Remember, once you've pasted the code, you should always save your work. Most platforms will have a save button or offer an option to publish immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Cookiebot into your website. With these simple steps, your website is now better equipped to handle cookies efficiently and comply with international data regulations. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick website tips.